Most traders think success comes from predicting the market. That belief alone has destroyed more traders than any crash. I know, because I spent years mastering every pattern, every signal, every trap. And still, I kept making the same mistake.
He predicted the panic of 1907. He profited from the crash of 1929. He became a Wall Street legend, and he still lost everything. 4 times. With us today, Jesse Livermore.
Thank you, Cerebellum. It is an honor to be here. I have spent most of my life watching the tape, forcing myself to look where others refuse to look, into the mirror of greed, desperation, fear, hope. The market changes its clothes every generation, but people rarely change underneath them. If there is one thing I learned, it is that the crowd is always searching for an easy formula, while the market itself is really a map of human behavior. In markets, truth is the only edge that survives, and any conversation willing to pull back the curtain on fear, risk, and human nature is one I can respect.
Well said, my friend. And as you can see, questions are already flooding my screen. People want to know, is it worth trading every single day? Is it wise to trade just to recover losses? What are your thoughts on leverage? Do you trade in sideways markets? Do you rely on technical stops or emotional ones? Do you ever trade against the trend? And perhaps the most difficult question of all, how do you master your emotions when the tape is moving against you? But there's more. People also want to understand the darker side. How can someone build legendary fortunes only to lose everything more than once? How does that happen? And why? We will explore all of these answers throughout this series of conversations. And this is exactly why stories like this matter. Most people only see prices moving, but they never see the thinking, the pressure, and the psychology behind them. If someone watching us truly wants to understand how the market really works, they should stay with this journey. This is a rare opportunity to learn directly from the greatest speculator of all time.
It will be my pleasure to answer every one of those questions. The stock market is the greatest puzzle ever devised, and most people try to solve it blindfolded. I made fortunes. I lost them, more than once. Every scar taught me something, and those lessons are worth more than any trade. So from this moment on, I will share everything the floors of Wall Street taught me. Every mistake, every victory, every truth the market forced me to accept. Because money can be taken from you, but knowledge cannot.
And that's what makes this story so dangerous and so fascinating. Because understanding the market is not about finding certainty. It's about surviving uncertainty. And what most people still don't understand is what really separates the few who endure from the many who disappear. Another giant, another lesson. See you in the next episode of Lessons of Giants.